You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at candle manufacturing. Is it lucrative? Is it easy for anybody with 200,000, 300,000, 500,000, 100,000 to step into this business? How much can we make per month or a day, per week? How much can we make? Now, we are going to look at all these projections and analysis in this video. So, stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to display some of the addresses, some shops. This is not a sponsored video, so take note of that. I'm going to display some of the addresses and where you can get all these materials. So just get there, buy them, and start your business. Now, candle business is of two types. It's either you make this for domestic use or you are making the ones that are in cups or well designed and perfumed ones. Those ones that can be used for interior decorations, for events like weddings, birthday and other things. Also those that use it for spiritual houses, for prayers. This is a lucrative business. If you are going into those designs, colorful and perfumed ones, that is another beautiful big business altogether. Now, if you want to manufacture this, it's another beautiful big business again. Now, in this video, we're going to focus on the manufacture of this because this is the common one. This is the one I tell you can step in easily and make good money. It does not mean that manufacturing the ones in cups and design is expensive. It's not expensive. It's just all about buying the molds, start molding, start making money. Going forward, let's look at the equipment we need for the production of candle. It's one business that does not require much machines. So you can see some of the equipment here. Number one is the candle mold, which is very, very important. It's paramount. Now, I discovered that the cost of this mold is 160,000 naira. 160,000 naira. The one that can give us 36 sticks. Now let's look at the mixer. This could be manual or the electric mixer, depending on your income, your startup capital. So we have the electric mixer, we have a burner. Now also going back to the mold, there are local ones that are not up to this amount. There are local ones, locally fabricated molds that you can actually start with that are not up to this amount. Now let's look at the burner and then hand gloves. Have the stainless container, table and packaging materials, because you are not going to sell your candlesticks just naked. They must be packaged. Now here in Rivers State, this stick of candle is sold 100 naira, while this tiny one is 50 naira. And they are always packaged in 8-8. Now this one was sold 750 naira to the retailer, and he is to sell it for 100 naira. That means the profit for this is 50 naira. This was sold, there are 8 here, it was sold 350. The profit for this is just 50 naira also. Now, if you are producing this or this, we are going to use the same price, the same calculations, the same projections, and let's see how it goes. How much is the cost of production per stick? And then from there we can calculate and estimate how many sticks you can produce a day and how much you're going to make that day as profit. Then from there we project for the month, and then you can do the rest for the year. Let's assume that we have 2 molds. If one mold, we have seen it earlier that one mold will give us 36 sticks. Now, if we have 2 molds, that means we are having 72 at once. If you pour, you are getting 72 sticks. So we are going to do the maths, we are going to do the calculations, the projections, and see if the business is actually profitable. Let's go to the financial analysis. The mold displayed on your screen gives us 36 sticks in every pouring, 36 sticks per batch. Now let's assume that we have only 2 molds. That means we'll be having 72 sticks. Now let's assume that we mix 9 times a day. So the quantity per day will be 72 sticks times the 9 times of pouring will give us 648 sticks that will come out. What I mean is that if we pour on these 2 molds 9 times, it will give us this number of sticks. This number will come out as our candlesticks. Now let's assume that we are making 5 naira per stick, just 5 naira, something that is sold 100 naira per stick. There is no way the profit will be 5 naira, but let's estimate as low as that, and we are producing this quantity per day. That means 648 sticks per day times 5 naira will give us this amount, 3,240 naira. Now if we do this for a month, this will definitely give us, that is 3,240 times 25 will give us 81,000 naira in a month. Now I don't want to add any other expense because of the amount we are projecting as profit. This product is sold 100 naira. So the profit of the producer or the manufacturer cannot be less than 5 naira, the net profit. So we should go with this amount. Now if we are doing this a day and we are making this amount, you as the owner of the business, you're making this amount with only 2 moles. Only 2 moles. That means if you do this for 2 months, you have the capacity, the ability to buy more 2 moles and double this amount. That means at the end of the next 4 months, there is possibility that this amount will be times 2, which is 80 times 80 will give us 160,000. Then 1 plus 1 give us 2. That means we are going to have 162,000 naira as net profit in 4 months time. Let's assume that we now use this amount again to invest the next 4 months. That gives us a lot of money the next month, business month, and that we can do on and on and on, and the distributors will be happy. Take a quick look at the raw materials we will need to manufacture the candle. Number one is the candle wax, which is the most important raw material. And then the stearic acid. The stearic acid is usually sourced from tallow or vegetable oils. Is very important. It's odorless and colorless. Now we need the thread or the wick for lighting. This is where we light the fire. So these are the raw materials. Now thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. See you in our next video. Bye bye.